My name is Engineer James Muriuki, and I'm the project manager for this project. This is a 2.9 billion project called Galana Food Security Project Rectification. And under this project, the first phase, it has 4 components or 4 scopes. The first scope is where we are putting a 45 MVA 220/6 transformers. That is route 1. Then we have the 54 kilometers, which is divided into 2 rows, that is 27 kilometers each of 66 kV line. Then at the end, at the terminal is where we are putting 2 by 23 MVA 66/33 kV transformers. And then we also have the meter station where the investor will be getting the power from, and the meters will be there, and KPOC will be charging them for the power they will be using. This, as has been said by the chair and the other member of the Senate Energy Committee, this will be one of the major projects that electrification projects that we help this country to have to have food security in place. And we also thank the government for giving this kind of money.
We have come to push for improvement. We want to make it better. We want the people to appreciate. Because when you see big wires running across and you don't know what they are for, the people normally don't appreciate the usefulness of a project. They want to see what is happening to them. Why is this thing, these big wires, the government is talking of billions. Like this one, we understand is 2.8 or 4.9 billion. When they hear that billions of shillings are being spent and they see big wires up there, they see what is that of use to me? How do I benefit from such a project? So we want to see this thing finished quickly so that our people who get connectivity get, and in future they should incorporate the corporate social responsibility.
The views that have been raised by my colleagues, by the chair, about the local community being the first beneficiaries. We've heard them across the country. We have had complaints from people in Menengai. My brother from Turkana is here. Marsabit, where we have this large solar plant, wind farm actually, not a solar plant. And we want to reiterate that in the project design, we front load the people from the area in which the project originates so that they are also able to own the projects themselves. So it is very unfair. The people of Menengai, where we're generating a lot of power using geothermal and the wind power plant in Loyangalani, they have raised similar concerns.